Hi everyone, my name is Crystal, the founder and coach of Rayvynne Fit Wellness LLC. I provide virtual and in-person holistic wellness education, handcrafted plant-based products, and stress reduction books. My vision is to change the narrative and stigma that holistic wellness is complicated and unattainable. With wellness solutions that are simple, effective, and that can be easily implemented into your daily lifestyle. In 2021, I served over 155 students. My goal for 2022 is to serve 200 college students and to provide 5 free wellness events at my local library. To learn more about me, go to flow.page/RAYVYNNE. Remember, health is wealth, and you are worth it. Holistic living, healthy living. Crystal from Rayvynne Fit Wellness LLC.